We are at the Missouri Botanical Garden, where we have Origami in the Garden on display all summer long. Origami in the Garden is a traveling sculpture exhibit from Santa Fe artists Kevin and Jennifer Box, and it features large-scale metal sculptures that tell the story of the art of paper folding, or origami. There are 18 sculptures throughout the garden, and they are made of museum-quality metals. They start with a single piece of paper that's folded into an origami sculpture, and that is then done on a larger scale in museum-quality metals. The process of installing the sculptures for Origami in the Garden took about a week. The artists spent a week in St. Louis overseeing the installation of the pieces. I watched them assemble this piece right here, so it was kind of flying through the air on a crane as it got up on that pedestal. The one in the central axis was kind of like an artificial Christmas tree. It came in 3 pieces that they put together to make that tower. And that again was done with a crane, so lots of heavy lifting, teamwork involved, and now they're throughout the garden and they look amazing. These pieces are specifically designed to be displayed in botanical gardens, and we thought it was a perfect fit for the Missouri Botanical Garden. They have several different size shows, and we have the largest on display because we have 79 beautiful acres here at the Missouri Botanical Garden. Again, we have 18 sculptures throughout the garden. We have traditional origami peace cranes, we have floating boats, flying airplanes, this lovely Pegasus behind me, just really a wonderful array of different sculptures. In the central axis, we have a sculpture in the pool that has 500 origami peace cranes, and they are reflected in the pool to represent 1,000 origami peace cranes, which are a symbol of good luck. And we do have a community component to Origami in the Garden, and that is our folded force that's on display in the Brookings Exploration Center. And anyone in the community is welcome to create their own origami paper sculpture that will be on display in that folded forest area. Origami in the Garden will be on display at the Missouri Botanical Garden through October 10th. For more information, you can visit our website at mobot.org. And Origami in the Garden is included with general garden admission. The garden is open Tuesday through Sunday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And we will also have some evening hours for Origami in the Garden.